Hi, Greg Nibbler here with Digital Trends, our CES 2018 coverage live on the Showstoppers floor. And here I am talking to somebody about drones. We all love drones. We all want a drone. This seems like maybe the most convenient way to carry around a drone that I've ever seen. So we're at AEE Aviation Technology. I'm here with Mike. So Mike, tell me about what we're looking at right here.
Hey, Greg. So first of all, I want to make one clarification. Let's not call this a drone per se.
Okay.
What is the best camera to always have? The best camera is the camera you always have with you. The camera you always have with you is your smartphone. This is a flying smartphone case. We'll call it a flying case. It is a flying smartphone case. So if I'm out and I'm having a picnic with friends and family, and I'm trying to get that perfect selfie with 20 of my best friends, my arm is just not long enough. I don't think your arm's long enough.
I'm sure.
So how would I like to pull my phone out of my pocket? This case totally replaces my regular phone case, and voila, one little pop. I now have a flying smartphone case. Just pop the little props out, and I can fly this up to 50 feet away. I can take a great vista shot, show the background, show all my friends. I'm in full HD video at 60 frames a second. I can take 13 megapixel stills, all conveniently from my smartphone, and I don't have to move one bit. Not my hand, not my foot. The smartphone's doing it all for me, controlling this flying camera.
Okay, so this is all part of the case. So this snaps onto your smartphone. Like, what kinds of phones can you use with it?
Any iPhone 6, 7, 8. It works with the Plus models as well. We also have a universal case that works with Android, basically any Android phone, 4 to 6 inches.
So how is it powered? What's powering it?
So we got a little built-in lithium-ion battery. And when you talk about actually using this for doing a selfie, maybe I want to broadcast some live video to my Twitter or my Facebook, it will record and give me up to 4 minutes of airtime. That's a lot of time. This interview is not going to be 4 minutes, and that's
exactly.
a long time. Some people think it's really a long time already.
So that is fantastic. So what's the battery life on it?
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
And we give you 2 batteries, so you have up to 8 minutes before you have to recharge it.
And how do you charge it? Do you charge it separately, or can it charge through your phone?
Both. So we actually have a case that is a phone bank. So it actually has the power pack built into it, and it can recharge up to 6 times. Or if you buy the basic model, it has micro USB inside, you just charge to the drone itself.
Okay, can we get a little demonstration of this on how it works?
They get a little bit mad at me flying here, so we'll see about doing it. But we have some nice video for you. But let me do something that it's almost as good. I'm going to hook it up to a smartphone, and we'll kind of simulate the flight and how it works.
I like it. All right, so you download the app onto your smartphone. This snaps off of the case on the back, and then you go from there. Okay, so we've got a quick demonstration here. Not a full demonstration. We're not going to violate any laws here, but that's all works from an app on your phone? Okay. And how much is this while we're talking about this right now?
$130. And it comes with 2 batteries. If you want to add the charging capability, it'll be another $30 for the phone bank charger built in.
So $160, and that is what we've got with that. So it's not too bad, actually, if you want to get into drones and have your own camera with you at all times. That's kind of cool. I'm not going to say that I couldn't use that, but we'll see what we can get with this. Again, just part of the cool products here at CES 2018, in particular the Showstoppers show. We got lots more for you. Go to digitaltrends.com/CES.